There's a moment that happens in almost every salon chair. A woman turns 50 or 60 and says the exact same sentence to her stylist, just something easy, nothing too much. And here's what almost nobody tells her. That one sentence is often exactly how a woman ends up looking older rather than younger, simply because easy gets misunderstood as flat and safe gets misunderstood as shapeless. Today I'm showing you 5 specific haircuts that do the complete opposite, cuts that take years off visually while still being genuinely simple to maintain, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly which one is right for your own hair texture and face shape. Stick around until haircut number 4 especially because it's the one style most women assume won't work for them, when it's often the exact opposite, and stay for the bonus section at the very end, where I'll show you exactly what to say at your next appointment so you never leave with a cut you didn't actually want. Hey there and welcome to Elegance at Any Age, the channel dedicated to helping women over 60 look polished, current, and completely confident, without needing an expensive stylist or a wardrobe budget that keeps you up at night. If you're new here, welcome. I'm genuinely glad you found this video because hair is one of the fastest, most affordable ways to visually refresh your entire look. And today we're covering exactly how to do that right with real specific guidance you can bring straight into your next salon appointment. And if you're already part of this community, welcome back, get comfortable, because this list might completely change your next salon appointment. Before we dive in, if this is your first time here, please subscribe before we continue. This channel is built specifically for practical, honest beauty and style advice for women exactly like you, and you won't want to miss what we cover next. If you're already finding this valuable, go ahead and tap that like button, and drop a comment letting me know your current hair length. I want to see exactly what everyone's working with before we get into these 5 cuts. Alright, let's get into haircut number 1, because it's more versatile than you'd expect. Why easy doesn't have to mean flat. Before we jump into the 5 specific cuts, let's quickly clear up a common misunderstanding, because it genuinely shapes everything that follows. When most women ask for something low maintenance, they're picturing less time in front of the mirror each morning, which is a completely reasonable thing to want. But many stylists interpret that request as the fastest possible cut to execute, which usually means one uniform length with no layering, no shaping, and no consideration for face structure at all. The 5 haircuts we're covering today are all still genuinely quick to style day to day. Most of them air dry beautifully or need only a few minutes with a round brush, but every single one has intentional shape built into the cut itself. That distinction, intentional shape versus simply less hair, is the entire secret behind looking youthful rather than tired, regardless of your exact hair length or texture. Haircut 1. The long layered bob with soft face framing. Let's start with one of the most universally flattering cuts that exists for this exact goal, a long bob, sometimes called a lob, cut with soft layers concentrated specifically around the face. On its own, a completely blunt bob with no layering can actually look somewhat severe or heavy, but adding soft, face-framing pieces around the cheekbones and jawline completely changes the effect. Face-framing layers work because they draw the eye upward toward the cheekbones and eyes, the areas of the face that hold the most natural youthful energy, rather than letting attention travel downward toward the jaw and neck, which is where a heavier, blunt cut tends to pull focus instead. This particular cut also happens to be remarkably low maintenance. It looks polished with a simple blow dry. It looks equally lovely air dried with a bit of texturizing spray scrunched through the ends, and it grows out gracefully over several months without ever looking obviously overgrown. When booking this specific cut, use the phrase long bob with soft face framing layers, rather than simply asking for a bob, since that added detail is precisely what separates this youthful intentional version from a flatter, more severe one that could easily read as aging instead. This cut also happens to be one of the most versatile options on this entire list, working beautifully whether your hair is naturally straight, wavy, or has a slight natural curl pattern, since the soft layering adapts easily to whatever texture you're already working with. Haircut 2. The curtain bangs with length. Next, curtain bangs, a style that's experienced a genuine resurgence recently, and for very good reason. Unlike a heavy, blunt fringe cut in one solid line across the forehead, curtain bangs are parted gently down the middle and swept to each side, framing the face the way an open curtain frames a window, rather than sitting as one hard block across the forehead. This particular style works so well because it softens the forehead area without concealing it entirely, and it blends naturally into the rest of the hair, meaning it doesn't require a separate, complicated styling routine on its own. Curtain bangs also grow out far more gracefully than a blunt fringe. Within just a few weeks, they simply blend into the surrounding face framing layers rather than needing an emergency trim before they start falling into your eyes. The real benefit of curtain bangs specifically for women over 50 is how effectively they lift and soften the entire upper face, especially for anyone noticing slightly more forehead showing as hair naturally becomes finer with age. This is one of the lowest maintenance, highest visual impact additions you can make to almost any haircut you already have, without needing to change your overall length at all. Many women choose to add curtain bangs to an existing haircut they already love, simply as a small addition, rather than committing to an entirely new style from scratch. Haircut 3. The textured shoulder length shag. The modern shag haircut deserves a spot on this list specifically because of how effectively it fights that flat, lifeless energy we talked about earlier. A textured shoulder-length shag features layers cut throughout the entire length of the hair, creating natural volume and movement, rather than one heavy single length that hangs flat and stationary against the head. The key detail that makes this particular version work so beautifully for women over 50 is keeping the layering soft and well blended, rather than choppy and severe. A softly textured shag adds body and lift specifically at the crown, which happens to be exactly the area where hair often thins first with age. That added volume and movement at the root and crown area does an enormous amount of visual work on its own, making hair look noticeably thicker and healthier, even on days when it hasn't been freshly washed or styled at all. This cut also pairs beautifully with a texturizing spray or light mousse applied to damp hair before air drying, since the product helps enhance the natural movement built into the layers without requiring heavy heat styling on a daily basis, making it a genuinely practical choice for busy mornings. Okay, quick pause here because I want to know which of these first 3 styles has caught your eye the most: the long layered bob, the curtain bangs, or the textured shag. Drop the number in the comments 1, 2, or 3. And if you're already wearing one of these, let me know that too. I genuinely love hearing which cuts our community is already rocking. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a wonderful time because we cover exactly this kind of practical, detailed beauty and style advice every single week. No fluff, just real information you can actually use at your very next appointment. After subscribing, go ahead and tap that like button too. It truly helps this video reach more women who might be sitting in a salon chair this very week, about to make a decision about their next haircut. Alright, let's keep going because haircut number 4 is the one I promised you at the very beginning. Haircut 4. The Volumizing Pixie with Soft Crown Lift. Here it is, the style so many women assume won't work for them, when it's often precisely the opposite. A well-cut pixie, specifically one with soft gentle lift built into the crown area rather than being cut completely flat against the head, can genuinely be one of the single most flattering and youthful cuts available, especially for finer or thinning hair. The secret here lies in how the cut is structured rather than simply how much hair is removed overall. A pixie with soft layering concentrated at the crown, gradually blending into slightly closer cropped sides and back, creates the visual illusion of significant volume and thickness, even on genuinely fine hair. This is completely different from an overly texturized pixie, which can actually make finer hair look sparse and see-through. This version instead keeps enough weight in the right places to appear full and healthy rather than piecey and thin. Many women avoid the pixie entirely out of fear it will look too severe or masculine, but a soft, rounded pixie with genuine crown lift is honestly one of the softest, most distinctly feminine shortcuts available, and it happens to require significantly less daily styling time than nearly any other option on this entire list, simply because there's less hair overall to manage on a daily basis. It's also worth mentioning that a well-executed pixie tends to draw significant attention to the eyes and cheekbones, since there's simply less hair competing for visual attention around the face, which many women find genuinely enhances their makeup and features rather than detracting from them. Haircut 5. The Angled Bob with Graduated Back. And finally, the angled bob, sometimes called a graduated bob, a style where the hair sits slightly shorter at the back and gradually lengthens as it moves toward the front, rather than being one completely uniform length all the way around. This subtle angle accomplishes something genuinely remarkable structurally. It naturally builds volume and lift at the crown and back of the head simply through the way the layers stack against one another, without requiring heavy styling or excessive product to achieve that same sense of fullness. This particular cut also creates a beautifully soft, elongated line along the jaw and neck area, which tends to be one of the most universally flattering effects across nearly every face shape imaginable. It photographs wonderfully too, since that graduated angle catches light and shadow in a way that reads as intentional and polished from nearly every viewing angle, whether you're being seen from the front, the side, or even from behind. The angled bob is also remarkably low maintenance once properly cut. The natural stacking of the layers means it holds its shape beautifully even between salon visits, and it works equally well air-dried for a casual day, or blown out smooth for something slightly more polished, all without requiring any particularly complicated styling routine at home. This cut is also one of the most forgiving options for growing out hair between appointments, since the graduated angle simply softens gradually over time, rather than looking noticeably overgrown the way a completely blunt cut might. Alright, one more quick pause before we finish this list, because I genuinely want to know your thoughts on haircut number 4 especially. If you've ever avoided a pixie cut purely out of fear it would look too severe or masculine, drop a comment saying guilty. I promise you're far from alone. This is genuinely one of the most common hesitations I hear about constantly from this community. And if this video is giving you real value, please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already. This channel exists specifically to help you walk into your next salon appointment with real confidence and the exact right words to use. Like this video too. It genuinely helps more women find this information before their next haircut decision. Okay. Let's talk about how color can enhance any of these 5 cuts even further, before we move into our final bonus section. Bonus section 1. Pairing these cuts with the right color technique. Here's something worth mentioning briefly, because the right color technique can genuinely amplify the youthful effect of any of these 5 haircuts even further. Soft face framing highlights, placed specifically around the areas where curtain bangs or face framing layers fall, add dimension and light exactly where the eye is already being drawn, doubling the lifting effect these cuts already provide on their own. For the Pixie specifically, a subtle soft balayage through the crown can enhance that sense of volume and movement we talked about, adding visual depth to an area that's already doing quite a bit of lifting work through the cut alone. And for the shag or long layered bob, gentle face framing color that's slightly lighter than the base color throughout the rest of the hair creates a soft, sun-kissed effect that reads as effortlessly youthful, without requiring a dramatic, high-maintenance color change throughout the entire head. Bonus section 2. The exact words to use at your next salon appointment. Before we close out, I want to give you something genuinely practical to walk away with because knowing these 5 styles is helpful, but communicating them clearly to your stylist is what actually gets you the results you're hoping for. Instead of vague phrases like something easy or nothing too much, try being specific, bring a reference photo if you have one, and use language like soft layers, not blunt, movement through the crown, or face framing pieces, not a hard line. If you're nervous about committing to something dramatically different from what you currently have, ask your stylist about a transitional cut, a version of any of these 5 styles that gradually eases you from your current haircut toward the fuller change, rather than jumping straight into it all at once. Most stylists genuinely appreciate this kind of clear, specific communication because it removes the guesswork entirely, and it dramatically increases the chances you walk out of that appointment thrilled with the result, rather than settling for something that technically fits the words easy and low maintenance, but does absolutely nothing for how youthful and put together you actually look afterward. It's also worth mentioning bringing photos of your own hair from a few years ago, showing a cut or style you genuinely loved, can be incredibly helpful too, since it gives your stylist real information about your natural hair texture, growth pattern, and how your hair actually behaves, rather than working entirely from a photo of someone else's completely different hair type. So there you have it, 5 specific haircuts: the long layered bob with face framing, curtain bangs, the textured shoulder length shag, the volumizing pixie with crown lift, and the angled graduated bob, every single one of them intentional, flattering, and genuinely low maintenance, proving that easy and youthful absolutely can exist in the very same haircut. The real secret was never about cutting your hair shorter or more severely as you age. It was always about choosing shape and intention over simply asking for whatever feels safest and fastest. If this video helped you walk into your next salon appointment with a lot more confidence and clarity today, that's exactly why we create videos like this every single week. So here's what I'm asking. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, so you never miss a new video the moment it goes live. After that, give this video a thumbs up if you're considering one of these 5 styles for your next cut, and drop a comment telling me which one you're most drawn to. Share this with a friend who has a salon appointment coming up. She'll genuinely thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video.